Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how to stack your CVS CRTs. So we're just going to focus on one product because I've been getting a lot of questions and a lot of messages about how do you use all these CRTs, especially for beginners, because CVS has been like overloading us with CRTs lately. So I want to make sure that everyone has the opportunity to stack their CRTs so that you don't miss out on any, or so that you don't lose any CRTs that expire because you didn't know how to use them. So go ahead and get some paper and some pen and a pencil or something so you could take notes. You can get your phone out to take some screenshots. Although we're going to only focus on one product today, that doesn't mean that you can't apply what you learned in this technique to other products. So if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscription button and the bell next to it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you'll be notified and you won't miss out on all the secret savings and all the deals, and learn exactly how to coupon at CVS efficiently and effectively to get the best bang for your buck. So let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so I had a total of 5 dial CRTs. I had 3 from last week that I didn't use, and all I did was stop and hold them. So I hit the button so that they would extend into this week, and then on Sunday I got 2 more. So that gave me a total of 5 dial CRTs, and most of them were either for the body wash or for the dial soap. So because I knew that we had a buy one get one free coupon, I figured I could do a really nice deal to be able to show you guys how to get the best bang for your buck for the CRTs. So when you're doing CRTs, there's 2 things that you want to keep in mind. When you have a spend threshold and you combine 2 CRTs, you have to meet that total spend threshold. Now, you might be saying, well, what is a spend threshold? A spend threshold is when you have a CRT that says $4 off of $12. That means you have to spend $12 in order to get $4 off. But let's say you have a $4 off 12 and you have a $2 off 10. So that means you have to get at least 4 items, but you have to, your 4 items have to total $22 because the one threshold was $12 and the other threshold was 10. You don't have to get 6 items, you just have to get at least 4. Okay, I hope that makes sense for you guys. So that's one way to stack CRTs. The other way to stack CRTs is just when it says $2 off this, $3 off of that. You can use that with spend thresholds, and you don't have to increase your spending amount, or you can combine a whole bunch. So let's start with this deal here. So this week, Dial is on sale, 30% off the regular price. So it is regularly $6.79, but with the 30% off, it comes down to $4.75 or 79 cents, something like that. Now, let me show you the Dial coupon that I'm using just in case you guys aren't familiar with it. It is this buy one get one free, and as you can see, it did expire on 3/20, but most CVS's take expire coupons 14 days after the expiration date. If you're not sure if your CVS does so or not, just take one coupon and try it. If it happens, you're good. If it doesn't happen, then you know for the future. But most CVS's do take expired coupons. So you might say, well, why do you have 3 dials? I have 3 dials because I'm adding on all those other CRTs. And by the way, I paid nothing out of pocket for these dials. I got all 3 free. I mean, I didn't even pay, I paid nothing. I didn't pay tax, nothing. And you're going to see my receipt in a minute, okay? So you can also combine CRTs with extra bucks too, guys. I didn't have to use any extra bucks in this because I had enough CRTs to cover it. So I bought 3, thinking, okay, I'm going to use this coupon, buy one, get one free. So in my mind, I'm going to get this one free, but pay for these 2, correct? So then what I did is I looked at my CRTs to see how I can make this great. And this is what I did. So here's my receipt. You see I got 3 of the body washes. They were all 30% off, okay? Now, there's my manufacturer coupon for $5.49. The reason why they took $5.49 off is because on the coupon, it states maximum value $5.49, if you can see that. Okay, you can see it says max value down here, $5.49. Now, I was lucky that my cashier did that. It all depends on your cashier. Some cashiers might only take off the price of $4.79. But either way, it would still be a good deal, okay? It's just a matter of cents. So there is my coupon for the $5.49. Now, this is where I stacked my CRTs. I had a $4 off $12 body wash. Now, you might say, but you're not paying $12 for that because you're getting one free. It's okay. If it's a manufacturer coupon that makes it free, you can include that into your spend threshold. But if this was a store promotion where CVS is giving you buy one get one free, then I would have had to grab another one in order to meet my $12 threshold. But because it's a manufacturer coupon, it's counted into my total. So all of these came to a little more than $12, okay? So I got the $4 off 12, and then I had a $3 off 3 Dial liquid hand soap or body wash. And you see I got 3 Dial body washes. And then I got $2 off Dial body wash. But you see it only took $1.76 off because CVS does not give overage, and I didn't need to hold $2 in order to get these 3 free. And you see right there, my total out of pocket was $0. So that's how I got these 3 free. Now, I still had 2 more CRTs where I got $2 off of 2, and I believe $3 off $3 off of 2. So I could have gotten more Dial, but I didn't want to get a whole bunch and stack too many CRTs on here and confuse you guys. And I could have used another buy one get one free coupon if I would have gotten 2 more. But again, I wanted to keep it simple for you guys so that you could totally understand this and so that you can go out and do this. So look through your CRTs, see what matches with what, and go out and take advantage of it. Another great one, which I didn't do yet this week, but a lot of people get the $3 off 3 Hallmark cards. But in parentheses, it says each card has to be $2.99. Well, that's not necessarily true. All of the Hallmark cards are eligible because you can scan them in the app and it comes up. Plus, you can get the bags, you can get the bowls, you can get the wrapping paper and all that. So what I do is I hold one from one week and hope that I get one the next week so then I can stack them. So then I have 2 $3 off 3 Hallmark CRTs, and then I go get $3 worth of $6 worth of bowls, or $6 worth of bags, or I'll get 6 99-cent greeting cards and get my my money, use my CRTs. Or I might get and when I get the $6 worth, I only get 3 items because it's not a spend threshold. It says $3 off 3 2 times, but you only have to get 3 items, but you get $6 off. So that's just another scenario. If I have time, I'll take that scenario and show you guys that too. But I hope this is helpful, especially for the newbies that are learning how to stack their CRTs. And let me know if you got these same CRTs and if you're going to go out and do this deal, or let me know how you're stacking your CRTs, because maybe you might have an idea that I haven't come up with. Then I can use that to help me save. But until the next time, guys, keep on saving.